What's up, guys? We're back. So I'm out here checking up on all of the watering that I have for my avocados, and this is my cherimoya, and I got one of these little it's like a 6 stream all the way around the perimeter here, like 360. So these tend to work pretty good for the most part, but I do have like the 360 kind of like micro sprays that I bought, and for some reason some of those, like if you don't check on them, they'll get clogged up. You just got to open them up, release some extra water, it clears itself out, and then the whole thing works again, which is kind of a pain. So it's good to just always come out and just check every emitter that you have, just to make sure. And ooh, I got a, looks like a, what is that? Praying mantis. Let's see if I can zoom in. All right, cool. Anyways, so I'm out here kind of just checking up on all the water, and everything seems to be okay. I had a couple emitters that were completely closed, even though they were working like a couple days ago. So I just opened them back up, flushed them out. It's a little bit of a pain, but it's got me thinking, because I have to water a lot of the broccoli trees that I bought for some folks who just haven't picked them up yet. So I'm kind of like hand watering them, and it's kind of a pain. So I'm thinking maybe I need to add another irrigation timer, at least like a hose timer where you can actually connect it to your hose bib. I already have one. I have one called Ratio. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's Wi-Fi. It has 2 little controllers. The Wi-Fi plugs into your house, inside the house. Okay, sorry about that, but of course, every time you like record a video real quick, there's always a helicopter or an airplane, and it's super loud. So here I am trying to record a video. In any case, so I have, I was thinking of adding a 3rd valve, since I already have the Wi-Fi dongle that's already kind of plugged in. So I started looking online, and right now it's Prime Day, so I wanted to see if there were some sales, and turns out there's a couple of really good sales that I saw, so I just kind of wanted to share with you guys. I don't know if I'll add another Ratio, because the pricing on those valves are a little on the higher side, but I did see this, which is actually interesting. This is made by, I'm going to put it on screen here so you can see, but it's made by Beehive Orbits, and it's a 4-zone valve timer, and it works via Bluetooth. So you can actually use your phone and the app, you can program it. You can have 4 different zones do different things, so it's kind of nice. What's also interesting and good is that since you have 4 valves, you don't need to use all 4. You could just use 1 or 2, and if one goes bad, you can switch to the second one, and the second one goes bad, you can switch to the 3rd one. So it's kind of nice to have 4, you know, valves in total, but if you need all 4, you can actually use it. So the pro is that you can easily program it with your phone and use your phone to turn it on and off, but you can only do that via Bluetooth, so you can't really you know, be in another part of the world and tell your valve to turn on. But you can program it once, and then it'll automatically turn on and off when you're away from home, so it's kind of nice. So having 4 zones and having the price be what it is right now, which is actually really cheap, or I guess I can say it's about 50 bucks for 4 zones. That's a pretty good deal. And so I was thinking of getting this one right here. So what made me actually like think about watering? Well, check this out. This is one of my avocados, and you can see like the top. See, it's kind of like drying out. I'm trying to zoom in. Hopefully you can see that. But I can see that, and it's like, oh, I need to go check the water, make sure the water is okay. Well, it turns out that one of the emitters was clogged, so we had to kind of go in there and turn it on. So this seems to happen with some of the cheaper emitters, especially the 360. Let me show you. Like these guys right here. So this is like a little 360 kind of like fan pattern emitter, and those for some reason once in a while they just kind of get clogged. These were cheap, and you know, I bought a pack of like 50 for like $10 or something like that, and I should have spent a little more for something better, but I do think that I probably should just cut this one out and put a different emitter on there. So hopefully that would solve some of the problems there. But because that one was like just closed by itself, it wasn't watering the tree, and that's how you know. You kind of look up and you're like, oh wow, everything's like kind of dry up there. So that's a sign that the tree is a little thirsty. So, all right, check out my mango. It's got new flush of growth right there, which is actually nice looking, nice and burgundy color. So, in any case, I just wanted to share with you guys the deal that I saw, and I know some of you guys have talked about maybe getting like a hose timer for watering some of your plants, and considering it was such a good deal, I kind of had to share. So I'll put the link down below for the exact model that I saw, and then you can actually take a look at it and see what you guys think. But it's Prime Day, so those are going on sale right now. It's actually a pretty good deal. So in any case, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.